choosing the right shipping partner is important. Otherwise, you'll get orders, but your products won't be delivered to your customers in the right manner. And if that is so, you'll not get the cash on delivery amount paid by the customer, and that won't be deposited to your bank account. In a way, if your shipping partner is not right, then you literally screwed and your business won't run really smooth. So in this video, as a part of our e-commerce store journey, we will set up the shipping partner. We will also discuss which things you need to take care so that you don't make any mistake. Hey guys, this is Arnav and you are watching Digital Arnav. In this video series, we are learning how you can start our e-commerce store without investing much time and much money, and that too in a site. That means you don't have to leave your job or study or whatever you are doing currently. If you have not watched the previous parts of this series, the links are in the description. Go check that out first. In this channel, we talk about e-commerce, digital marketing, and Facebook ads. So, without wasting further time, let's get started. Before we actually create our store and run ads to get the orders, we need to set up 2-3 things first. The first one is obviously your shipping partner. You can choose ShipRocket, Nimbus Post, Delivery, or any other alternative you may find in the internet. But I have always used ShipRocket, and uh, I am actually quite satisfied with this service and their support and the plan they offer. I'll show you in detail really very quickly, but as of now, just I am recommending ShipRocket as your shipping partner, right? ShipRocket does not have any charge when you are getting started. They have light plan. It is completely free. You can use it as your shipping service, and you have to make recharges which will be credited in your shipping wallet, and you can use that credit to ship out your products, right? Suppose there are 1,000 rupees in your wallet, and the delivery charges or the shipping charges is 80 rupees, so 80 rupees will be deducted from your wallet. It goes like that only. Now, why we actually need a shipping partner in the first place? Well, they will collect the parcel from your supplier or from your place if you are holding inventory with you, and they will deliver to your customer. They will also collect the cash on delivery amount and deposit to your bank account, and if there is any return, they will do it for you. In that case, you have to create a reverse shipping from customer's address, and the courier guys will pick it up from customer's place and ship out to your supplier's address or to your address. But don't worry, I'll tell you how to manage and minimize the returns in your business. Alright, let's understand another process, which is if you get the order today, right? We call it the teeth day, and you ship your parcel to customer the next day, that is t plus 1 day, right? Uh, it takes 3 to 5 days based on the location uh, to deliver the product to your customer, right? Your shipping partner will collect the cash from your customer, and it takes the amount to be deposited in your bank account 5 to 7 days based on the courier service you are using. But so what happens if you are getting order today, you can expect after a week or so, after 5 to 7 days, that amount will be credited to your bank account. Now if you feel that you need to get the cash earlier so that you can manage your cash flow, there is a very good option in ShipRocket which I have not find yet in other the service providers, the shipping service providers. They ShipRocket actually offer early COD, right? Early COD. What is that? They offer, after delivery within 2 days, you can get the cash deposited to your bank account. But for that, they charges some 0.99%, right? Which is pretty much affordable and helps to manage the cash flow issue in your business. And 0.99% means not even 1%. That is pretty much affordable. So as of now, I am going to discuss how to register for ShipRocket and all. I'll leave the link in the description and in the resource sheet, but you can check this one, that is shiprocket.in. You have to sign up here, right? And this is completely free, by the way. As I'm already logged in, it's showing my account, but the process, that means the registration process, is really easy. You have to upload some documents, that is your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and a cancel check, because in your bank account only they will deposit the cash on delivery amount, right? So once you do that, you will get approval. It takes 2 to 5 days to be approved by their team. If you need faster approvals, you can contact me. I have some contacts in ShipRocket, and they will fast forward your process, right? So once you logged in, your account is approved, you can come to settings, right? Here in this section, you can see your company details. Here are my details, right? They have different plans. Let me show you. When you come here, you can see your company profile means there will be a company name, your website and all. You can upload your logo here, right? And the important thing is to set up the pickup address, as in the address where your supplier holds inventory, or you hold your inventory at your place. You can click here, manage pickup addresses, and definitely you can add an address. I have some addresses already here which I was using when I was running my store, right? You can click here, and here you have to fill some details, right? Here you have to enter your phone number and verify it, because a OTP comes to your phone number, or to your supplier's phone number. Ask him to share the OTP, and they happily share it, actually, because you are not doing any fraud. You are doing a real business. Just to set up the pickup addresses, you can set up multiple pickup addresses in your dashboard, like I have done. And another important thing, let me show you what happens if there are some dropshipping suppliers who offers a service. I mean, the process is like, they will allow you to manage the pickups from your warehouse, right? I mean, when you're sending the parcel to customer, they allows uh, I mean, the pickup person, the courier guy, will collect the parcel from your dropshipping supplier and deliver to the customer. But if there is any RTO means if the customer is not available and that parcel is being returned, right? In that case, your dropshipping supplier may say that I will not take it in my place because I cannot manage all the returns. What do? you take that parcel to your address. They tell that and you can do that, but my private supplier always take return in that place in his warehouse only. In that case, what happens if the first scenario, that if you need to take the RTO at your place, your address, what you need to do is click here. Maybe you need this address, right? Just click it and you can check this box. Use a different address at RTO address. In this case, what will happen, this the pickup will be generated, that means the courier guy will collect the packet in forward shipment from this address, and if it is an RTO, then the RTO packet will be delivered uh, to this address, right? That's pretty much it, because we're just setting it up, and here you will be able to recharge, right? You have to recharge here before you can actually use their service, but their service is pretty much good, and they offer delivery mm, between 2 to 7 business days. Not businesses actually, because they actually offer Sunday delivery, so you can use ShipRocket as your shipping partner, or else if you find convenient, you can use Nimbus Post Delivery or any other shipment partner as an alternative which you find in internet.
Download my free guide, which is linked in the description. It tells you with some simple tweaks how you can skyrocket your sales in your e-commerce store. So go check that out. If you have found value, like the video, share with the person who might be interested in e-commerce. Make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification on so that you can get notified when I publish my next video. So until next time, tata, bye bye.